Okay, they've given us the middle two terms of a series of 4 terms in a rule applied series. Okay, we've got an unknown number, then 12, then 52, and then a further unknown number. And they say the rule to get from term to term is we subtract x from the previous value and then multiply the result by 4. So knowing those facts and knowing the two numbers that obey those facts, we can set up an equation that links all of this information together. We can say that 52 must be equal to 12, take away x, and then the result multiplied by 4. The use of the bracket is crucial here because we've got to find that result first and then multiply it by 4. Okay, we've just got to solve this equation. First thing to do is to divide through by 4. So we get 52 divided by 4. Dividing this side by 4, the 4's will cancel, so this is just equal to 12 minus x. And really we want x on this side of the equal sign and the numbers on this side. So both the 13 and the x have got to swap places effectively, changing their sign as they go. Because we're going to subtract 13 from both sides, it will appear over here as negative 13, and add x to both sides, and it will appear here as a positive x. So we get x is equal to, well, 12's the only thing that's remained stationary. And we get 12 minus 13 on this side, so x is equal to negative 1. So with that in mind, the rule going forwards is actually add 1 and then multiply by 4. Let's just check that's still okay. Add 1 to 12, 13, multiply by 4, 52. So yes, this does look right. So going back from the 12 to our first term, we must reverse the process. First of all, we must divide through by 4 and then subtract 1. And if we do that to 12, we get 12 divided by 4, and that's equal to 3, and then subtract 1, and we get the answer of 2. And that will be the value of the first term.